Nestled in Kanipakkam village of Andhra Pradesh lies a temple with a fascinating story. Sri Varasiddhi Vinayak Swami Temple, also known as the Kanipakkam Vinayak Temple, is dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The idol here is a Swambhu, a naturally manifested form of Lord Vinayak. It grows in size over time. This temple's history dates back more than 1000 years to the 11th century CE, built during the reign of Chola king Kuluthanga Chola I. The name Kanipakkam has its roots in the Tamil words Kani, 1¼ of land, and Pakkam, flow of water. Together, it signifies the fertile lands enriched by irrigation, reflecting the village's agriculture heritage. Legend says that three brothers, each physically handicapped, decided to dig a well for water. As they worked, their iron tool struck a stone. To their astonishment, blood began to flow from the spot, turning the water in the well red. Miraculously, the brothers' handicaps vanished on the spot. The villagers, realizing the divine nature of the event, gathered around to dig deeper. What they found was the self-manifested idol of Lord Vinayak. Even today, the idol remains in its original position within the well. Its growing size is seen as a sign of its divine power. Interestingly, the water from this sacred well is considered holy and is distributed to devotees as prasadam. Sri Varasiddhi Vinayak is revered as the upholder of truth. Locals believe that disputes can be resolved by swearing an oath in the temple. Many take a dip in the temple tank before taking an oath, trusting that the deity will ensure justice prevails. Brahmotsam festival lasting 21 days begins on Ganesh Chaturthi and includes elaborate processions with the festive idol of Lord Vinayak on various decorated carriages. During this time, the temple streets are filled with joy, music and devotion as pilgrims from all over the country visit to witness the grandeur. The float festival, where the idol is placed on a beautifully lit boat and taken around the temple tank, is a sight to behold and attracts devotees from near and far. Join us next time on Temple Tales for more spiritual stories.